Okay, you guys, welcome back. I just made my plate, and you know what, you guys, I didn't really show you when I put in the air fryers because I got some in the video, and the air fryer it'll tell you how to cook your steak, your sirloin steak. But yeah, so I just made my plate and stuff. So let you guys, see my Sunday dinner. Yep, this is March the 8th, 2026. Yeah, but I'm going to go ahead and take the foil off, okay? And let me show you guys what I'm drinking on. And really cold. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I show that? I thought I was taping it. But anyway, I said that this is what I'm drinking on, you guys. It's the coconut pineapple. It's the flavored sparkling water. And yeah, sparkling ice. That's what it's called. I thought I was taping. I hope I was taping. But anyway, like I said, I just made my plate, you guys. And I did do my sirloin steak in my air fryer and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the foil off. Guys, yep, look at that. And if you guys wanna, how I season my sirloin steak, just keep watching this video, of course. But I always like to, do my first intro when I eat it and make it when I made my plate. Okay, but wow, look at that. That is looking so delicious. Yes, indeed. And this right here is the lima bean, and this is the carrot. Yeah, and that's black pepper. I like to season black pepper on it. But anywho, this is how my plate look. My Sunday dinner, my sirloin steak with butter bean. I didn't say lima bean. This is butter bean and carrot. Okay, Lord, I wasn't even taping, you guys. That's my bad. I was gonna say I'll give y'all a bite of my lima bean. Y'all take the first bite. Wasn't even taping. Oh my goodness. That's why, because I'm hungry. There you guys go. You got the little black pepper season on it. Okay. Use some of the carrot. There you guys go. Got it. And I thought I was taping. I said I put honey on my carrot, make it more sweeter and stuff. But let me slice a piece of this steak. Now, you guys, this is how I like my steak. Yes. See how tender and it ain't got no blood? Yes, and yes indeed. Boy. Yes. And if I go like this, you probably still see the juice. But anywho, yeah. But that's how I like my steak. Yes. Okay, so here you guys go. I can get the first bite of the steak. Oh, stop it. You guys see that? Put it there. Oh, you guys go. You guys get that. It's on the fork. See? Got it? And look at it. And now, with my bite. So delicious. I guarantee. Alright, so let me get out of here, you guys, and finish eating and stuff. I want to show you my plate and stuff, but look how thick it is. This is how I like my steak. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I season my steak, just keep watching this video. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. This show them what I got cooking on my cooking channel. And if this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below, subscribe. If you don't mind, I really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye. Well, not bye-bye. You want to see how I prepare my steak. Okay. Hello you guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today the main course that I'm making for me and my husband is the sirloin steak, and I'm just showing you guys. Very thick. Sorry about that, you guys. See how thick it is? Now if you go to a steakhouse, man, I guarantee you will probably spend about $55 for one steak. 55, close to $60, especially this side. Don't you agree with me? But anywho, yeah. So what I do when I buy steak like this, see this right here, this is a meat tenderizer. And I go like this. See? And get it more tender. There. See the little hole. And it's really good. This is a good tool to have. I guarantee. Yep, a good tool to have. Okay guys, so this is the season that I'm using for my steak. Garlic powder, onion powder, and this is really good, you guys. You know, if you don't want to use the garlic powder, garlic, this got all the season. If you ever brought this right here, especially this right here, this is the only thing that you need to use. This right here, you know, and I think that's what they kind of use if you go to the steakhouse. Yeah, and black pepper. And knowing what I do is I put in the bowl all my seasoning, put in for it can mix everything up together. You know, all the season. I put it in the bowl, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Yeah, but if you want to season your steak like I did it, just pause this video and boom. Save me a lot of time trying to put it in the description, if you know what I mean. So I already done already trying to figure that already. Okay. And the only reason you want to tenderize your steak is because see them little holes right here? Because all that seasoning gonna go in the hole. Yes. Some people probably don't even know that. But yeah. Alright, so let me go ahead and mix up my season. Okay? So that way you guys see it in the bowl. What kind of seeds you guys? What kind of seeds did you use? So yeah. So you guys, this is how I do it. And see how when you mix it up in the bowl, even though this right here, when I kind of taste it separate, it's a little salty. And you have to be careful. Like this, you have to be real careful. And so when you mix it up in the bowl, it really is not this salty. Yeah. So when I did sprinkle, I'm gonna season on both sides, like lightly. See? I'm gonna mix in the other one. Over season your steak, if you know what I mean. And also, you guys, you want to make sure that you get it, when you season your steak, make sure that you get it on the side as well. Okay, see how lightly it is? Now I'm going to do the back side, the other side, same way. Okay, so guys, that's how I wrapped it up, and I'll put it in the refrigerator. Okay, and the side dish I'm gonna make is butter bean and honey carrot. So I see you guys when my steak is completely marinated for at least about 30 minutes. Okay?